like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.
Subscribe our Technep channel and press the bell icon for notification of new videos. Hello friends, do you want to promote your business? I will create a professional whiteboard animation for a small amount of money. I have many years of experience with many happy customers. So do you want to grow your business on a small budget? All you have to do is contact me on Fiverr.